My name is Dillon. I'm 13 years old, and I love shooting the 50 cal at the Canadian GunHub.
Hang on tight, hair trigger.